The galaxy rejoices. Never before have we seen such an all-star cast of great heroes and vile villains joined together in this, the universe's ultimate showdown.
Cannot resist.
A hero's death for our first hero.
Think not.
It's a shame absorbing blaster fire isn't part of Jedi training.
Work. Grateful for my
A commanding lead for goodness and light.
You'll never get there! Anakin is still a part of you.
Anakin Skywalker no longer exists.
On my way!
You defy me? These are the fruits of treason.
I will do what needs to be done.
You cannot hide.
I can't let you win here.
Your power is no match for mine.
You find yourself in a delicate situation. Submit to me. Make your choice. Our guests have arrived.
Their surrender to our might is inevitable.
Do not oppose me.
Don't give up easy.
The less evil team takes the lead.
I can't continue.
Score one for the good guys.
No. Cannot resist.
The dark side continues to eclipse the light.
I sense the darkness and the light. You don't mean me any harm.
Not any closer.
Down and dirty tactics pay off for the dark side.
Ignorance of the Force will not save you. I've been waiting.
Pretty good.
My quarrel is not with you. Fight me.
You are fighting for the wrong side.
All hail the Dark Lord of Kill Streaks.
That's enough! Get back!
You overreach, my friend.
The Empire does not forgive.
Now, Cal, you know my position on setting traps.
Purchase moments
I
with
think I can
blood.
handle myself.
I sense a power I have not felt outside. Do not waste my time.
Army or not, you must realize your truth.
You defy me?
Very confident, aren't you?
Worthless.
Well, at least the more gun marks.
Test my patience.
Don't get sloppy.
Well, what have we here? Numbers don't strike me. Must we do this again, Neville? You need to stop and think things.
Increase fatality production by 50% to achieve victory.
Darth Vader. I'll face him myself. You're wasting your time.
You cannot flee.
Somewhere close.
Skywalker.
The dark side doesn't rule you.
My master rules me and the dark side together.
Keep trying!
The price of insurgence. This is taking too long. Deploy the minimal force necessary.
The dark side doesn't rule you.
My master rules me and the dark side together.
Stop it.
No. You cannot resist.
That armor. That mask.
You cannot.
You're done. Understand?
Work. Valued effort.
We're looking.
A daring provocation. Defy me? Think not. Your life ebbs.
Not many, but still dangerous. Now! Now! Quit hiding.
No.
Ready to quit yet?
You!
You will submit and die.
My master wills me.
father. Away from me.
That armor, that mask. You can't do this. This is your war, not mine.
Boba Fett ends the round and prepares to build more services rendered.